Welcome back to Crawlspace Encounters. Got ourselves another one here. This one's a doozy. Alright, you can see right over there we have a dryer vent. It's all disconnected. It's probably been disconnected for a very long time. Let's see if we can get over there. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, spider webs. Lint. What a freaking mess. Oh, such a little minor fix can cause such a huge mess. This crawl space needs some love here. Over here looks like water's coming in right through there. Working its way down into the crawl space. Look at that. Whew. That's bad. That explains why we've got all this fungus down here. Man, that is going to rot out these wood beams. Holy smokes. I mean, there's fungus all over the place here. Smells horrible. Hey, I want to thank you guys so much for keeping this channel going. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave me a comment. You have no idea how hard it is to crawl these houses and film. But I get joy out of it because I sure do teach a lot of people what to look out for. Crawl space homes, construction, a lot of work people do in these crawl spaces that are really shoddy. You gotta keep an eye on a lot of contractors. But this right here, this vapor barrier is super old. They definitely need to get this replaced. Definitely needs an interior French drain system. That's for sure. This water heater, look at this thing. Basically touching the ground. You can see the rust already forming down there. This thing will end up kicking the bucket here pretty soon. You can see ants. That's weird. Yeah, definitely well, take care of that water heater. But no question about it. This crawl space needs some love. Yeah, I would install an interior French drain system in here. Get a new vapor barrier. I'll tell you what, a dehumidifier down here help control this fungus. Definitely want to go with a pretty thick liner, come up the walls. See how this is barely even doing anything. You can tell. Look at all that. That's dried up water. You can tell these duct lines, they condensate during the summer months. Another genius, almost missing the pier while they're doing some framing work. Yeah, there's the one next to me right here. My God. We're talking to get this crawl space in shape. A lot of money. You don't want to get to the point where you have to spend that kind of money, because what happens is people, they won't. And then it just gets much worse. Got all your HVAC lines here. Man, this place was taking on some water. That's like a river, a little river bed right there, going downhill. And it just started raining outside, so I bet you that last real big rainstorm we had was, a lot of that was coming on down here. Folks, keep checking out my channel. I appreciate all of you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll just keep this channel moving. Check out a lot of the other videos I did. How this Crawlspace is nothing compared to the things I see. But talk about pest control, French drains, dehumidifiers, vents, HVAC, plumbing. We talk about all kinds of stuff. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in once again. And I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.